Good morning to all. Myself Dr. K. Manoharan, Associate Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering. So today class we are going to discuss about Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So this artificial intelligence, it refers, we are making an ability to think the machine that will mimic the human cognitive functions. So this is like an learning and solving the problems. So we make the machine to solve the real-time problems. So it combines this computer science, data analytics, and then cognitive physiologies. So these things will be effectively combined to produce a machine that think like a human. So this is an A make the system as a smart system. It enable them automation and automatic decision makes. So AI, so this is the core branch. It comes with machine learning, again deep learning, neural networks, cognitive computing, natural language processing, computer vision. So these are the some subsets of AI. Each one has some unique features. So historical evolution of AI. So in 1950, they finded some training tests. So that will be having machine intelligence. So that will be implemented and that will be improved in 1956. The term artificial intelligence will be introduced. In 1980 to 2020, so it have the advancements in this machine learning, deep learning and computing powers. So today's we have this AI with an enormous power with automatically solve the solutions, virtual assistants and healthcare diagnosis. Look at this is an artificial intelligence. So it has subsets of machine learning, deep learning, again this natural language processing, computer vision. So we have so many clusters also. Look at this robotics, again each one has some subsets of computation by using this artificial intelligence. So types of artificial we can classify into two types. So it will be type 1 we have a differentiating and similarly we have a type 2. So look at this type 1 we are classifying into three types. So one will be narrow AI and another will be general AI and another will be strong AI. So narrow AI, this is a specific task will be performed for using this AI. So it can do only that particular task. That's why it is called as narrow AI. So we can take an examples like a speech recognition, medical image classification. These AI can perform only that particular task. Second type will be general AI. The meaning itself it have this, it is a generalized AI. So it can perform any intellectual task like a humans. So this is a general AI. And third one, this is a super AI. So this is an actual theoretical computations. So it have a super human intelligence in all aspects. So this is possible only in theoretically. So we are trying for to find this super AI. In type 2 also we can classify in different things, reactive machines, limited memory, theory of minds, self-awareness. So these things we can see later. So the difference between AI and human intelligence, so two things have some advantages, some drawbacks. Let us consider this. So AI is completely, it is a data driven. So the output purely depends on the previously training data. So and this is the based on logic. So that's why we can say it is a logic based evolution. But humans are entirely different. So they depends on their emotion and their experience. In AI, it processes faster but lack of creativity and empathy. So it performs every task in a very fast manner, but only thing is, so it don't have any creativity and it won't consider empathy. So if you, for example, if you haven't on some answers, if you write it in a creative manner, but AI thinks that this is wrong. So the creative thinking and empathy will be missing in a AI. Again, human adapts for contextually, but AI needs a training data and rules. So human can adapt for a real-time environment easily, but AI not like that. So it needs a more data set to get a correct results. So it forms rules and data. Everything depends on the trained data. So key applications of AI. So AI can be used in so many things. Look at this: healthcare, government, again gaming, manufacturing, automobiles, business, education, finance. So these are the some of the things. For example, if you take a healthcare for diagnosing any health problems, so this will be suitable. So similarly, drug discovery, again virtual health assistance. For example, telehealthing, everything we can use this AI. Similarly, in finance, we can use for fraud deductions, algorithmic tradings. So these things AI will be supports in a better manner. Similarly, for a manufacturing sector, if you take it, predictive maintenance that will be done with the AI. Similarly, for a robotics, so we can use AI. Similarly, for if you take an education field, so personalized learning systems can be given by using this AI. AI in biomedical engineering, so AI can be used with the biomedical applications. So if you take a biomedical application, for example, for analyzing a data like ECG data or EEG data or MRI data, so AI can assist them for a better diagnosis. So similarly, pathology slides, again, accurate diagnosis will be possible by using this AI. Similarly, used for an smart parasitics, robotics, assist surgeries, and real-time patient monitoring system, we can use AI for an improving the results. Again, it enhances the diagnostic accuracies of that particular disease. So this will be helpful for an early detection of disease. Thank you.